the four phases of the AUM sound as used in the AUM mantra meditation. First, we have the A. Pronounce A as in father. Then we have the U, pronounced as who, with a silent H. Then we have the M sound, which is made by the vibration of your throat when your lips are together. And you pronounce them all in sequence. So you get R, O, M. When it's all together, it's AUM. The fourth phase of the AUM sound is called the Anahata Nada. This is the sound behind the sound, the silence after the AUM chants. A few seconds of listening to the sound of the silent universe that pervades behind all things. So now that you know how to pronounce each sound within your AUM meditation, try this short standing AUM meditation for yourself. So first of all, stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Breathe deeply and naturally. As you relax, see the manifestation of your AUM chant before you say anything. As you start your R sound, raise your arms as if to hug the universe. As you transition to the AU sound, bring your hands closer together as if cupping or holding a divine ball of energy. As you transition to the sound in your AUM meditation, bring your hands towards and finally rest them on your heart. Wait a couple of seconds to just be. Listen to your own stillness and silence. Then you can start again with your hands and arms by your side, breathing deeply. Breathing in the good energy and breathing out all of the bad energy and negative thought toxins. So again, start with the R and bring your arms up to hug the universe. Transition to the AU sound and hold your ball of universe energy. Now on to the M sound and take that ball of energy and put it in your heart. Take some time to absorb the energy bestowed upon you from the universe and listen to your own stillness and the universe of silence. That is the four phases of the AUM sound used in the AUM meditation. So try it and see, it's amazingly grounding for you. Ah.